Congratulations! You've taken an important step toward getting more out of life with better hearing. Get to know your Tala. Checking your compatibility. The first thing you should know about the Tala is that it requires a compatible smartphone for operation. Be sure to check your compatibility online before moving forward. Inside the box. Now, let's open the box and learn all about your new devices. Inside you will find everything you need to get started, including one pair of Tala hearing aids with additional ear tips, wax guards and replacement tool, a cleaning tool, your charging case and charging cable, as well as user manuals. Before trying on your hearing aids, let's get to know your Tala. Each hearing aid has charging contacts, an ear tip, a wax stop, and a stem that allows you to easily insert and remove the hearing aid from your ear. Charging your device. Your hearing aids come partially charged, but for the best experience, charge fully using the included cable. Begin by plugging one end of the cable into the charging case and the other end into a USB power source. Next, place your hearing aids in the charging case with the battery side down. Close the lid to begin charging. Notice there are 3 light indicators on your case. The 2 outside lights indicate the charge of the hearing aids. The middle light indicates the charge of the case itself. A flashing light means the hearing aids or case are charging. Once fully charged, the lights appear solid when opening the lid to the case. You can expect up to 16 hours of battery life between charges. Once fully charged, the case can recharge your hearing aids up to 4 times before needing to be plugged back in. You'll know the case needs charging when the lid is opened and the middle light does not illuminate. Your aids will shut off when inserted for charging and will automatically turn on when removed from their case. Inserting your Tala. It may take some time to get used to the process of putting on your hearing aids, so practice until it becomes natural. There can be feedback or whistling if your hearing aids are not fully inserted or you do not have a good seal. Wearing Tala. Start by removing the Tala from the case by grasping the outer stem attached to the hearing aid. Hold your hearing aid between your thumb and forefinger and gently push the ear tip into your ear canal with the stem facing forward and pointing slightly down. To remove, grasp the device by the stem and place the Tala back in their charging case with the battery side down. We recommend wearing your hearing aids for 4 to 6 hours a day to start, gradually working up to 8 hours a day for the first week. If the Tala is uncomfortable, you might need a different size ear tip. We have included a variety of sizes to help you find the best fit. Changing tips. To change your ear tip, begin by holding the Tala by its stem. Gently pull on the tip until it comes off. You may need to twist it using a back and forth motion. Next, align the new tip with the dome facing outward and press the new tip on until tip is nearly flush with the device. Make sure to secure the tip well. When choosing an ear tip, it is best to start off with the one most typically suited for your level of loss. If you feel that your loss is more mild, then start with the single dome. If you feel you have a greater loss, we suggest trying the double dome ear tip first. Experiment until you are hearing clearly in your surroundings. Wax guard replacement. Your Tala has a wax guard in the tip to prevent wax from getting inside the device. You should check daily for any obstruction. If you see wax inside, you can replace it by following these steps. First, remove the ear tip from your device. Next, using the wax stop tool, insert the star-shaped removal end into the used wax stop. Pull the tool up to remove it. Turn the tool over to place the new wax guard on the tip and press firmly into place. You're done. If you ever need help or have questions, don't hesitate to reach out. You can visit our website or call our customer support. Thank you for choosing Lucid Hearing.